Welcome to Weight Loss Magic, 365 days of keto, low-carb recipes for rapid weight loss. Embark on a transformative journey where each day brings you closer to your health goals. This year-long guide is designed to inspire and educate, offering a treasure trove of keto and low-carb recipes. These recipes promise not just weight loss, but a healthier lifestyle. Each month, we dive into a new theme. Start your mornings with energizing keto breakfasts, perfect for kickstarting your metabolism. As we move through the year, explore delicious snacks that curb cravings without compromising your diet. Discover meal prep strategies that simplify your week and keep you on track. But every journey has its challenges. We'll tackle common pitfalls like managing cravings and staying motivated. With practical tips and solutions, our goal is to support you every step of the way, ensuring that your path to weight loss is as smooth as possible. With vibrant visuals and easy-to-follow recipes, each video is crafted to engage and motivate. Whether you're a keto newbie or a seasoned low-carb enthusiast, you'll find valuable insights and inspiration. So, are you ready to transform your life, one meal at a time? Join us on this exciting adventure. Unlock the secrets to effective weight loss and healthy living. Let's make this year your healthiest yet. Subscribe now and start your journey to a better you. Together, we'll make magic happen.